this is a cool shot. What if I zoom in? Well, hello, scholars. I'm Media Literacy Maddie, and today I'm using this piece of paper to create a frame to show what I would see through a camera. Video cameras can tell digital stories with the framing the camera operator uses, and that's what we're going to be talking about today on Read, Write, Roar. Let's go find Miss Kara. Hi everyone, I'm Miss Kara. I've been learning about why high-quality soil is necessary to grow fresh fruits and vegetables by watching this video from Destination Michigan. When you watch shows on a screen, it's helpful to understand film language, which is different from language written with words. Film language is told through different camera shots and angles. If you know this language, you'll understand why media creators make certain production decisions about the media they produce. Let's see how this video was created. This is an establishing shot at Willow Run Acres. This shot tells us the location or setting. I have an idea. Let's record some shots of Maddie in the garden. This shot is an establishing shot of Maddie. It sets the scene and tells us she is in her garden. Now it's your turn to practice an establishing shot. Grab some paper and a pencil. Fold your paper in thirds like this. In this column, draw an establishing shot or a shot that sets a scene of a house and some trees. Great job, everyone. This next shot is a medium shot. This is used during an interview. In this medium shot, you can see the top of Mr. Collins' head down to his chest. Do you also notice the writing or title here? This is called a lower third, and it's used to identify who the person is and their relationship to the topic of the video. This is a medium shot of Maddie. Do you notice that it's closer than the establishing shot of the garden setting we saw earlier? We can see a lot more detail. Do you notice there's a lower third to identify who she is and what she's doing? Now take your paper and pencil and draw a medium shot. It's okay if you draw a stick figure like I did. The last shot type is a close-up. This framing is important when you want to show detail of an object or emotion on a person's face. Here's a close-up from the video we've been watching. This is a close-up of Maddie. I wonder what she's found that's so interesting. And now get your paper and pencil one last time. Draw a close-up of a plant growing near the soil. We've learned so much about different camera distances and the use of titles today. Here's one final activity for you to try. Can you identify the film language that matches what is shown in each image? If you guessed close-up, medium shot, establishing shot, and lower third, you are right. Today we learned about several shots used in film language to tell stories: an establishing shot, medium shot, and close-up. We also learned about how a lower third, which is writing on a screen, is used to identify someone in an interview. Film language is spoken with cameras to convey a message. If you ever get a chance to speak film language from behind a camera, what would you say to make your message clear?